BioMax large surface area provides optimal colonization of beneficial bacteria. Enhances the elimination of fish wastes. Replacement media designed to fit the AquaClear 50 filter. Comes in a mesh bag for quick and easy installation. Suitable for both freshwater and saltwater aquariums up to 50 gallons. The AquaClear 50 BioMax Filter Insert provides an optimal environment for the colonization and growth of beneficial bacteria, which is essential for effective biological filtration and water purification. BioMax's complex bio-ring pore structure allows beneficial, toxin-reducing bacteria to thrive. By reducing toxins such as ammonia and nitrite, BioMax effectively increases biological filtration efficiency by 30%. BioMax comes in a mesh bag for quick and easy installation. The AquaClear 50 BioMax Filter Insert is made exclusively for the AquaClear 50 power filter. AquaClear creates a wide variety of products for freshwater tanks such as fish tank accessories, fish tank decorations, and aquarium filter media that is perfect for large and small fish tanks. Top reviews from the United States. Nice improvement in the product. Very nice product. The one that came with my filter also came with a bag and you had to fill the bag, and everything. It never really was flat. Earlier this week I noticed it was missing from my filter and the lid for my filter was ajar. After trying to think who did this, I thought perhaps one of my four-legged friends has a hand in it. After about an hour of searching and then about another 30 minutes of searching later that day, I broke down and purchased this one. I am very happy with it, however it was sent in one of those padded envelopes from Amazon, so in the process of getting her the box got squished. But the product was unharmed. I did eventually find the old one, it was downstairs and then about 150 after that, thanks to the cat. Attached are images of the squished box and the comparison between the styles. Ignore the teeth marks.